went ahead and cut off the side of the rubber or plastic steering wheel so you can see inside. So there's the little hole right there. So there's the pin. You can kind of see in there. Grab one of those carpets and throw it over the windshield for me. Thank you. There we go. See? Luxuries of being at the junkyard. I'm calling them luxuries. So I had to go ahead and make myself a little custom screwdriver. And we're gonna go in through the back hole right over here. Find a hole. And we gotta get it right over this. And then slide that back. Comes right out.
I don't know if that's helpful, but definitely don't want to be tearing the steering wheel apart, as you can see all that stuff.
Before you get started, disconnect the battery. The steering wheel moves in and out, so make sure your steering wheel is pulled all the way out. Alright, so what I learned from the junkyard is that you don't shove it in all the way to the back and just wiggle it around like a caveman, because that ain't gonna get you nowhere. You only want to go in about this deep to my yellow tape, but you want to go in with your flat head level out like this at kind of an upward angle, and then pull down with the spring arm. Good luck. So I'm gonna kind of go from my mind's memory. Oh, I think I just had it right there. I had a whole piece of it. No. I had a piece of it and I heard it snap back. Maybe I messed up. I'm gonna go up and above it. I think I just had a piece of it right there. My screwdriver's hitting on top of there. Oh, I got it. There we go. That's the top. Four minutes. I was at the junkyard for 3 hours this morning. Okay. Tab. I'm gonna stick a screwdriver in so that I can make sure that my steering wheel doesn't get. About there in the middle. Go back to the center. Get it centered as much as possible. Out and up. Lock it. Alright. Try the same technique. cable. There we go. Sweet. Under 6 minutes. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. A new record. Kind of turn it to the side and just set it in there. Don't let it fall. Put your knee back there on the other side of the steering wheel. Now it turns out that actually the 10mm poly drive head bolt socket will actually fit right in there. There we go. Set that back in there, but take that off gently. Come over here. Your knees are your friend with your steering wheel. A lot of people don't know that. Your knees, your steering wheel are best friends. Steering wheel's off. I'm actually not going to use any Loctite because I'm planning on replacing the steering wheel. Trying to find a Mark 6, Mark 7, something I can. Got the battery terminals hooked back up. The horn should work, right? Push it. Unfortunately, I don't think we fixed the horn problem.